So go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out, and just let it all go. Very good. How'd that feel?
Good.
That was a big one. Deep breath in, all the way out. Awesome. Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. Go ahead, nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice. I'm cracking already. Nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Oh.
Very good. Wow. Go ahead, deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. Wow. How'd that feel?
Really good.
Awesome. Let's go ahead and take a nice deep breath in.
Ok, suspira adentro y afuera.
Very good. How did that feel?
¿Cómo se sintió?
Bien.
Good. One more time.
¿Otra vez?
All the way out. Perfect. Relax it for me. Just let the body sink to the table.
Oh, wow.
Drop.
I feel like that's what I needed though. Oh my gosh.
Just let that head fall. Let it drop. Let it drop. Oh, wow. Oh. How'd that feel?
Feel good.
Awesome.
This is definitely life changing.
Awesome. Come back in here, all the way down. Contact, just relax, let it fall.
Oh,
My goodness. How are you feeling so far?
I feel great.
Oh, you're cracking already. Deep breath in, all the way out. Very nice.
So good.
So let the head just drop for me, let it fall. You feel that little tightness right there, just relax it. Wow. Now we're just gonna strap you in here. Just relax.
Oh my God. That was amazing.
Wow.
That is what I needed.
What did you feel?
Literally all the way to the middle of my back.
Awesome.
That felt so good. Oh my gosh.
Great deal. And all the way out, just let it all go. Deep breath in for me. And all the way out, just let it all go. Perfect. Just deep breath in. All the way out.
Oh my God, that felt so good.
Good. One more time for me. All the way out. Perfect. A lot of tension right in this
That's
top part.
right where it's at.
Just relax. Let the head just drop for me. Let it fall. My goodness.
Lord.
Wow.
That felt so good.
Awesome. You feel that little tightness right there. Just relax it.
Oh.
Wow. My goodness. Whew. So go ahead and check that range of motion. Remember we were looking at a range of motion?
Oh my God. That's like
Wow.
I have a new neck. That is crazy.
Awesome. And let it all go. Wow, big ones. How'd that feel?
Wonderful.
Incredible. One more time, deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. So go ahead and bring this head to the left for me. Just relax that shoulder there, okay? Give me full control and just let the head fall to the left for me. Beautiful.
Whoa. Am I alive?
How'd that feel?
Oh, amazing.
Awesome.
Oh my God, you're amazing. Wow.
Awesome.
Wow, wow.
So we're gonna go hand right behind the neck for me. Any pain as I push in. Just let the shoulder relax. Perfect. Good. Come all the way around here. Just relax it, okay? Just let the shoulder drop. Relax it. There we go. That was a big one. Just let that body drop. Let it fall, let it fall. Nice. How are you feeling?
I can go to sleep now.
Just come right into here and just head all the way down. Just relax the shoulder here. I'm going to just cradle the head just a bit. Perfect. And just let the head fall for me.
Oh.
There we go. How did that feel?
Good.
We're just going to come down here as well and just relax that shoulder for me. You full control and just let the head fall.
Oh.
Beautiful. Awesome. How are you feeling so far?
Good.
Good. You feel all that pressure just
Yes.
kind of dissipate. Oh. So go ahead and take a nice deep breath in and all the way out. Just let it all go. Wow. How'd that feel?
Oh, even better.
Awesome. Okay, one more time. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. Just relax that shoulder. My contact one more time. Perfect. And just let the head drop. Let it drop. Just give me full control. Very good. Awesome. How'd that feel?
So good.
And just let that drop for me. Let it fall.
Oh.
Wow. How did that feel?
So good.
Good. All right, so I'm going to roll you back here. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. All the way out. Very good. How'd that feel?
Good, that one was
was
nice.
amazing. It's the same thing here, okay? Nice deep breath in, all the way out. Very good. And just let the head drop. Feel the drop.
Oh my.
Drop, let it drop. Fall. Fall. Drop. Fall. Fall. To the left. Fall to the right. Fall.
Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God.
Those were big ones.
Wow.
How did that feel?
Wow.
To the left. Slightly. Fall, fall. Drop it. nice deep breath in for me. All the way out. Just let it all go. Perfect. Deep breath in. All the way out. Perfect. So any pain as we go through movements here?
No. Ooh.
Very good. Perfect.
Wow.
And you'll feel a little bit of
Mm-hmm.
kind of that heat coming down
Yeah.
here. All the way out. And just let it all go. Relax.
Oh God. That's phenomenal.
How did that feel?
Oh my gosh.
And just let the head just drop to the left of the top.
Oh my.
Beautiful. Is that the one you were looking
Yes.
for?
Wow. Wow.
And just let the head drop, let it fall. Beautiful. Wow. How are you feeling?
Great.
Awesome. So I'm going to strap you in here. Give you a nice little tug. And all the way out. Just let it all go. Let the body fall to the table. Fall.
Oh my God.
Very good. That was so loud.
Oh, oh my gosh.
Deep breath in. All the way out. Just relax it.
Oh.
Very good.
Whoa.
And fall. So I'm locking you in, okay? And all the way out. Just let it all go.
Oh.
Very good.
Holy shoot.
How did that feel?
Oh wow. I felt that all the way down.
Awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Awesome. Have you turn towards me. Very good. And just let your head fall into my hand. Very good. And just go ahead and drop that shoulder there. Very good. Perfect. Just want to check his leg. Make that movement's good. These are working good. Now let's check your arms. Let's see if you're a little ticklish. Yeah, there we go. Perfect. Hi. Yes. I'm checking you out. I'm making sure your body's working good. Your head is working good. All right. Perfect. And what time of day is he usually gassy? Like morning?
At
Just,
night,
okay.
all through the night, really.
Okay. Seems a little restricted in there. Good. There you go. You're okay, buddy. You're okay. Let's go ahead and do a sit up towards me. And all the way down. Okay. Go ahead, nice deep breath in. And just let it all go.
Oh my goodness.
Very good.
I love it.
Deep one. How'd that feel?
Feels so good.
Awesome.